Hey guys, it's me, Shondell, the creator of the Craft Print. If you're new here, thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to go over how I run more than one Cricut machine at once. It's really easy, and this is going to be a really quick tutorial. So I flipped over the machine so I can show you where you can find the name of your machine. It's basically a number. So right there by the Bluetooth signal where it says the Cricut Ear FA90, that's the number that's going to come up. Of course, you're going to plug in all of the machines that you're going to use and turn them on. Then we're going to go to our Bluetooth settings. I already have the maker connected. I'm going to connect the other 3 machines one at a time. And sometimes it takes a few seconds. Perfect. The next one. And the last. Okay, so now you see all 4 of them connected. And remember I said at the bottom of the machine, you'll see which one is which. I only have one Explore 3, so I know that's the one. I only have one Ear 2 plugged in, so I'm fine with that. And the numbers here is how I distinguish the 2 different makers. So now that that's done, we're going to open Design Space. And I'm going to just pick one of my projects. Go to Customize, and now we're on the canvas, right? Now, when you're finished designing, whatever you have to do, make sure you choose which machine you're going to send this to. So we'll leave this on the Explore 3. Hold on, let me just ungroup this. So this is ready for print and cut, and it's sent to the Explore 3. I'm going to click Continue. Now, you don't have to do all of this. If you want, you can open up multiple screens, and I'll show you. You can open them up even before you choose the project. So now you're going to go at the top here. You're going to go to File, New Window, and you see another design space is open. You're going to choose the project. Let's say I just chose this one. Go to Customize because you have to make sure it's on the correct machine. You see it's already on Explore 3. This one is sent there. So we're going to change this to the Explore family. Make. Continue. And I was looking for the Ear 2. I only have one in, so it should link just to that one. Now we're going to go back to File again. New Window. We're going to choose any random project. Let's say something simple that I could send to, let's say this Halloween one. Go to Custom. Now you're going to change this to Maker. And it all depends on what machine you have. If you have all Ear, just remember to change every window to whichever machine it is. It could be all the same machine, but when you go to make it, see here, now you can choose the devices. Because I have 2 makers available, that drop down came up for me to choose which one I want to send it to. So if you have all of the same machine, like all Ear 2s, all Maker 3, Maker whatever, the drop down will come and then you choose which one. So the one right under the ear is this one for me. I just remembered the numbers, and we'll send that one there. Then we'll go back again, open a new window. You choose, let's say it's a glitter cardstock. There you go. We'll choose another project. I'll choose the same Halloween project. Go to Customize. You see it's on the maker still because that last one was, but it doesn't matter. Every time just go to Customize because you want it to come to the canvas and you want to make sure you have the correct one chosen. So we chose the maker. We go to Make It. Press Continue. And then this one is the maker that I have on the bottom of the shelves. So now what you can do is you can change the size if you want to see all of them. I usually do something like this. so that I can view each one and keep coming back just to check to see what color belongs on the mat. So now I can go and load each machine, whichever one I choose, and they'll cut all at the same time. Also, I'll do it so I can show you guys. Now, I usually, during the week, I'm cutting on 4 machines. On the weekends, I'll do 6. So you can go in and open another one if you want. You can make them, see, a little bit smaller, just to fit everybody on the screen. And you can see what's cutting, something like this. Or if you want, you can even have them overlap. So I've loaded each. That's going to cut. And now those 3 are all working at one time. And that's how you run more than one machine at a time.